and we will see how they burn. I mean, okay. The jury's out. That's all I'm gonna say. Jury's still out. Okay, here we go. Hey babes, welcome back. This is Living for the City. I am Sharice, and as you can tell from the title, the time has come. And I already know what you're gonna say. Sharice, I thought you didn't like Bath and Body Works. I thought you only like Yankee Candles. Well, yes, actually that is true. How about that? But after you guys have been telling me over and over again in the comments, try Bath and Body Works, here we are, and we're gonna try Bath and Body Works candles. Now, I'm not trying to say that, you know, I am already trying to be a pessimist, because I'm not. I just like my Yankee Candles. Let's just be honest here, okay? I mean, it is what it is. I like Yankee. I like Yankee Candles, bottom line. Okay, that's fine. Now that we've gotten that out the way, I'm not sure if this was a actual sale or I got a coupon or something, but somehow I ended up getting wanting to get some Bath and Body Works candles. It must have been something that prompted me to do it, but I can't even remember, to tell you. It was like before the holidays. I did like a cute little mini Bath and Body Works haul. I got a few candles, and I also got a couple of shower gels that I wanted to try. I used to use shower gels like a lot in the past when I was like younger, and then I stopped, and now I'm like back on that. I don't know why. I got like 55 loofahs, and now all of a sudden I'm like, you know, living by shower gel. So I don't know what that means. Anyway, so we're going to go through all of the candles that I got from Bath and Body Works. They came in a big box, but this is how I got it. So see, here they go. Okay, there's all my candles. And then we will see how they burn. I mean, okay. The jury's out. That's all I'm gonna say. Jury's still out. Okay, here we go. So the first candle that I have here is, oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my God. Sugar lemon zest. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay. Sugared lemon zest. Okay. And this is Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, lemon zest with essential oils. I can't even tell you how amazing. I didn't expect it to be green. It is. Oh, interesting. Okay. So these are all 3-wick candles that I got. Okay. These are their 3-wick. So they're a little bit larger. These are the, how many ounces is this? Does it tell me on here how many ounces this is? It does not. Oh, yes, it does. This is 14.5 ounces. So slightly smaller than the Yankee Candles. They're like 16, I think, 16.5. But OMG, I am loving this sugared lemon zest. Okay. Okay. You had me at hello. Okay, how about that? You had me at hello. Okay, so this is the sugared lemon zest. Whew, okay. Next up I got, and I don't know if I told you this before, but like I like sweeter, fruitier, lighter scents because I like to burn candles. I literally burn candles all year long, like constantly, right? So every evening, it's kind of like my thing that I do is I, you know, at the end of the day, I come in, you know, sit down to relax, light a candle, and then I'm zoned out for the rest of the night. Okay, so the next one that I have here is another white barn. That was a white barn. This is another white barn. Eucalyptus Rain, okay? Very pretty. The nice thing about Bath and Body Works is the actual glass itself is nice. With Yankee, it's just a regular old glass. So, oh, this smells like eucalyptus and rain. Like it literally smells like eucalyptus and rain. 3-wick. It's just a white candle. But oh wow, this smells yummy. And this is aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves. Oh, that's what I smell. Fresh spring rain and essential oils. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, I like that one. That's a really nice one, actually. Okay. And then the third one I got, because I got 3. I can't remember how much I spent on these. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm going to share each one below with you in the description box. So Feel free to check it out there. And then this one is a winter scent, and this is the Frosted Moscow Mule. Oh my God, the front of it is it's what is that?
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Wow, that feels good. It's actually velvet or something. So this is the Frosted Moscow Mule. Okay, and ooh, oh my God, that one smells good. What is this? So this is sweet lime, yep, lemon zest, sugarcane. Yes, yes, and yes. I can smell all of that with essential oils. You know what this actually smells like to me? This smells like sparkling wine. I don't know why I'm getting, it smells like a, God, it smells like something to drink. Like some type of alcohol, like a sparkling wine, and I can't put my finger on it. Oh, maybe it smells like a, wait, it smells like a Moscow Mule. Oh, Charisse. Oh, Charisse, it's Monday. It smells like a Moscow Mule. It smells really good though. Wow, that's a good one. Oh gosh. So these are the 3 scents that I got from, okay y'all, these are the 3 scents I got, and I'm liking them all. I'm probably gonna run this Moscow Mule first, and I'll let you know, and then I may save that sugared lemon zest until I get closer to the spring. I like that eucalyptus rain, so I might, that's gonna be probably right behind it. I don't think I have any other, I might have another Yankee Candle that I need to, that's winter appropriate, so I might run that one, you know, first, but these all are so very yummy. Another thing that I got while I was shopping online, because it was like, if you spent so much money, I either got something for free or like free shipping, I can't remember, but anyway, I picked up a shower gel, and I got the Fresh Sparkling Snow shower gel. Okay, and this scent is iced pear, frozen melon, winter apple, snowdrop blossom, and frosted musk. And so it actually smells, all I can smell the apples, to be quite honest with you, but this smells really, really yummy. And again, it is a sparkling snow, fresh sparkling snow. The other thing I got was rose shower gel. I am like the only person under the age of 60 that likes rose fragrance. I love rose fragrance, and it's airy rose water blended with jasmine petals and a creamy musk. So this is their shower gel as well, so I just wanted to try this. I might throw this in my I'm gonna try it, but I might throw it in my like my travel bag or something, my overnight bag. So okay, so these are I got my little mini haul here. So this is my cute little mini haul that I got from Bath and Body Works. We will see I'm going to test these, and so we will see how fragrant they are, how well they burn, how long they last. Because that's another thing, is that like I feel like Yankee Candles, although a lot of the wax at the bottom is wasted, I feel like it burns long enough, and it's so fragrant that I'll endure that. I'll deal with that, losing that little bit of wax at the bottom, because it's just so fragrant. So I just enjoy their fragrances and their scents, and I feel like it permeates the entire room. So anyway, I will let you all know how well I do with these and how much I enjoy them. So stay tuned for that one. Comment below, tell me which one of these sounds the yummiest to you. And then let me know if you are a Yankee girl or a Bath and Body Works girl when it comes to candles. Let me know which one you like the most, because I'm telling you right now, okay, I'm going to keep an open mind here. I promise you that. I'm going to keep an open mind as much as I love Yankee. Other than that, I think that is it, phase. This was a short and sweet one. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. Hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you will know when I upload another video. Give me a thumbs up and a like on this one as well. Much appreciated. And then you can follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram at living_for_the_city. And then you can like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it. I will see you next time. Bye.